Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are coming at you this week with a curly hair tutorial. For all the curly hair people out there, I know you are looking for this, and the reason I know is because I put an online hair quiz in French and English, which you could find in the description of this video below. And in those quiz, a lot of people had curly hair. They found it was unmanageable, it was frizzy, they needed more volume. They just couldn't get the right curl that they know they can get. So I'm teaming up with my good friend Ange, who has beautiful curls, who actually had lost her curls through various products weighing it down and just from her hair aging. And through using Monat for just over a year, has found her luscious curls again. So she is going to give us a step-by-step on how she achieves her amazing look. And you'll see in this video, which was recorded about a week and a half ago, that I also have crazy curly hair. And the reason is that I'm starting a curly hair series. So I have a natural wave to my hair. And just with using some products, I was able to achieve like a little poof of beautifulness. So you'll see that. So stay tuned. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit the bell, so you'll be notified when the next one goes up. And thanks for watching. Take it away, Anne.
Okay, so hi, thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to show you my juicy, luscious locks. I use 4 main products always. I always start with my Restore leave-in conditioner. So it's just going to keep my hair hydrated throughout the day, and it's going to keep my curls hydrated. And it won't give me that like frizz at the end, like hayish, you know what I mean? Like that grishu look, it won't give me that. And then I always, because a leave-in conditioner is like a primer, so you're going to go in and put it on your hair first. And then I go from lightest product to heaviest product. So then I use my Moxie Mousse. So my Moxie Mousse is like the curl without the crunch. It's going to give me a lot of body, and it helps lift my roots a bit. Now my hair is a bit longer recently, so my curls are a bit heavier, but I mean, they're still super juicy, as you would say. And okay, so I also use the curl cream. So the curl cream is really going to define my curls, and it's going to give me those nice full ringlets and really hold them together. And then I always finish off with our new Strong Flexi Hold Hairspray. So we actually won some awards on this for innovation product because it has 2 different setting nozzles. So a light mist and for like a stronger hold. I always go with the light mist because I find it just, I just go in it with it last. You'll see. So it's my finisher. Okay. So I guess let's get started, right? So I just wet my hair. I wash maybe twice a week, maybe every like 3-4 days. But I condition every single day. So every single day I go in the shower and I comb through my curls with either the intense repair conditioner, the deep smoothing, I'm really loving that right now, or I use a super moisture mask as well. Yeah, those are like my 3 go-tos for every day combing through my hair, because I find I just can't refresh properly. I just don't like the frizz, and I also sleep and I move all around, so the frizz is real, okay? Okay, so I start off with the leave-in conditioner. I use maybe 2 pumps, especially if I'm on my like 3rd day, then I'll use 2 pumps. Like this is day 2 wash. I washed my hair, not yesterday, but Monday. So yeah, that's day 2, right? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so only this much. You emulsify all the products all the time. A little goes a long way. So I just scrunch it in. I like to focus also, especially on the front pieces, because the front pieces are always more fragile. I play with them more, so they're more prone to like breakage. Now I go in with our Moxie Mousse, 2 to 3 pumps. I was like 2.5. It wasn't a full pump, the last one. Emulsify always, because you get so much more product.
Wow.
Yeah, always, always, always.
And then for people who have shorter hair, they don't even need that much. You have pretty.
Oh no. No. Like you would need 1 pump. And it's good for, it's not just good for curly girls. Like if you straighten your hair and you blow it out and you want that extra volume, definitely go in with the Moxie Mousse and focus on your scalp, and it's going to give you that lift and that volume, that oomph, I like to call it. So like, I don't know if you can hear it, but like you hear it like scrunch in there, you know, like it's really getting absorbed. Okay, and lastly, the curl cream. Sometimes I add the Frizz Fix depending how I feel, but my fave, my all-time, my curls that are always bomb is when I do these 4 combos. So I really don't use a lot. Like it may look, I don't know if that looks like a lot, but it's really not. I used to use so much product. I remember like filling my hand up. So emulsify always. And then I just scrunch in. And if I'm in a rush and I use a higher heat, then I'd go in with some blowout cream. And if I'm in a rush, it also like speeds up drying time, so it's good. But when you take your time, you always get the juiciest of curls. I also use in the shower, well, when I get out of the shower, I never use a regular towel to dry my hair. I have a microfiber towel. And I don't put my hair up in it either. I just scrunch my hair like this. I don't wrap it up. I'm just so scared to break it. Okay, so now I really don't have a fancy blow dryer. Next year I'm planning on investing in a Dyson, but not this year. So yeah, so I just have like regular power, hot, cold. So I do medium heat, medium power, because the higher the heat and the higher the power, the more frizz. And your girl can't do frizz. Like I just can't do frizz. So now, Melissa, you'll probably want to speed this up because this is going to take a good full 10 to 15 minutes. Luckily, I don't have a lot of hair and it's not that thick. I'd say it's about like 75, 80% dry.
Wow.
Oh, maybe more.
Beautiful.
Like it's still a bit wet, but it's crazy how it just like, you know, it jumps right back up. Oh, how I've missed my curl cream. Oh my God. Okay, so let's just finish it up. Okay. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, yay. So now, there's still like a couple pieces that are a bit wet, but the frizz, there's like almost no frizz. Like all here, look at that, there's like no frizz. Yay! So fluffy. Okay, so lastly, oh, maybe I wouldn't say lastly, my strong Flexi Hold hairspray. Now I love this. I love it. I love it so much. I can set my face. I can set my hair. I can. it's just amazing. So I always do a light mist. And then I do a little shot of high heat. Just a little shot. And watch the curls. And watch the curls just jump off, I swear. They get so bouncy. Check it out. And now a shot of cold just to close those follicles, because now they're just like, it's like your pores, right? It's like the pores on your skin. So if you steam your face, all your pores are going to be open, and then that's just like welcoming all the environmental factors, and we don't want that. So I want to close them shut. So I put it on cold.
Wow.
Have it. That's my curls. And they usually bounce. So let's check it out. Here you go. Got some bouncy curls. And then if sometimes if it's like my 4th day, it'll feel a bit crunchy. So then I'll just go and I'll uncrunch it just with my hands. Or even better, I add a little bit of a rejuvenate oil, just like 2 drops. So it softens the curls, and it also gives you great shine. And above all, nourishes your hair from the inside out. Because that's how fantastic our oil is. It's liquid gold. Look how bouncy that is. Look at that. Yay. There you go, and that's my curly girl routine.
Yeah, it looks so friggin' good. It's amazing.
Yeah, I really miss my curl cream. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I have it. Holy moly, I've been 3 weeks without it.
But so for people watching who are loving your results, how long have you been using Monat?
So I've been using Monat for about a year and a half now. I only started seeing these curls at least 8 months in, like a good 8 to 10 months in. That's when I started seeing these curls. So it definitely takes time. If you want these locks like after a week, it's not gonna happen. Like you have to find your right combo. You have to find out like what your hair likes, what it doesn't like, because our hair does age like our skin. So and really, it's really important to take care of your scalp because a healthy scalp is a healthy hair.
Aren't her curls just amazing? Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you like what you saw, press the bell so you get notified when I upload the next one, because this video, this series is going to be epic. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram or on my Facebook group, check out the comments below and you will see a link to that. And finally, Ange, thank you. You're beautiful. And her details are also below. She's a dear friend of mine, a teammate, and I'm so pumped we could work together to collaborate to bring you the how-to to get you to your best curls. See you next time.